Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 28th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is King of Swords, Hanged Man, Queen of Swords. Person B here has Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Strength card, which is Leo energy, which means that both of you or at least one person in this relationship will have to put in a lot of effort and show courage and bravery to tackle a situation. Now from the first set of cards I see you have the King and the Queen of Swords there, which is a couple. Okay, now with the King and Queen of Swords being there, it means that both of you or at least your energy shows that you want to have a very direct, honest conversation with this person. You are in that energy where if there is something that you did not share with them, you have decided that you want to tell the other person everything. If there were some facts, anything that you were hiding, or if there was a secret that you did not tell them, you want to go ahead and share it with this person. Till the time you don't share it with this person, you'll be in that hanged man energy where you'll be stuck. Okay, and you will feel as if you're not able to move forward or do anything. Now for person B, the first card is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is a new beginning, but with the Pentacles energy, it means that this person is looking for stability, marriage, and eventually they're planning to start small and build that relationship. Person B here has Seven of Swords also, which means some kind of deception, trickery. This person may end up doing something which may be a little deceiving, so something that will happen behind your back. And the third card for this person is Queen of Pentacles, which talks about money. This means that this person is doing really well for themselves when it comes to finances. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see here is Seven of Wands, Ace of Cups and Knight of Cups. Now Seven of Wands is when this person is trying to defend themselves. With Ace of Cups and Knight of Cups, Ace of Cups is a new beginning where they want to offer you a cup of love, and the Knight of Cups is kind of a rushed energy where they want to rush in and offer you their cup of love. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. So if you are in your comfort zone, or if your person is, then you need to come out so that you can take this relationship to the next level. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is clear quartz. The crystal message is, what is it that you don't understand? Are you missing the point? It is time to gain clarity and have a clearer picture of what is truly going on within you and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture. Get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the greater perspective from varying points of view. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Michael, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.